as promised, I told you I would explain the method to the madness. So the reason why we separated these icons out from this system is for this reason. Prototyping. So if we go to this tab on our properties palette, we can prototype. And I'm gonna click this home, and I'm gonna connect it to our home. And now I'm gonna click this one to the schedule. Alright, so now we got 2 links up here. So let's go ahead and test our prototype. I love this preview mode. Super cool. Puts it in the phone. You can change the phone shape. Makes you feel like a real designer. Looks like it ain't tall enough. Let's see. I'm gonna make this just a little taller. Okay, so notice that didn't click to the bottom. We'll fix that in a second. Don't worry about it. Okay, so we'll click that schedule. Schedule. Ooh, look, it clicked and it went to schedule. And click back to home, and it went to home. And I didn't have to link 3,000 times on each sheet like I'm sure you're used to doing. So pooty that.